Alright, how's it going everybody? Welcome back to the channel, and today I am back from Chicago, and holy crap was that the best spotting trip I have ever had in my entire life. So those videos are going to be the majority of the content over the next few, possibly months on this channel, but for now. But I'm also going to be showing you guys some of the new models that I got from Grayland Station in Chicago, which is a model store about 6 miles from the airport. And they have really good prices. So I picked up 5 new 1 to 200 scale models, and you'll be seeing those over the course of the next few weeks here. So today we're going to be taking a look at this one that I picked up. This is the JC Wings 1 to 200 scale ANA or All Nippon Airways Boeing 777-300ER in the Star Alliance livery. The very first day I was spotting at O'Hare, I did see this plane land, so I thought this would have been a cool model to have in the collection, and I'm going to open it up for you. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. Alright, and there she is in all her glory. So we're going to go ahead and grab the stand really quick. Like with the other JC Wings models I've had, it has a custom plaque on the stand showcasing what the model is, so I think that's a really cool touch. And here is the model, my goodness. Wow. This thing looks amazing. So I'm going to go ahead and set this on the stand really quick. And I'm going to go ahead and grab out the landing gear. Okay, so here's the landing gear right here. Let's go ahead and get this out. So here's the front gear and then the 2 main gear. Let's go ahead and put the main gear on right now. And the other main gear, just like that. And finally, the front nose gear. Alright, there we go. Let's go ahead and set her down now. And let's go ahead and take a look. Okay, so up at the front you see we have the cockpit windows, and next to that is the nose cone and the Star Alliance logo. We also have the first door and the front gear, and it says 731 on it. Here we have the ANA logo, the rotating beacon light up top, and of course the big Star Alliance titles along the fuselage. Moving back, there is the third door, some of the antennas, and the rear door. There's the Japan flag next to the rear door, and the registration, Juliet Alpha 731 Alpha, and then the tail is of course the Star Alliance logo. The wings also have some really good detail. It says the registration right on the wings, and I think that's the dot for the Japan flag on the other wing. And then the engines of course have exceptional detail as well. Here's a look at the inside. You can see the fan blades of the GE90. On the bottom, of course, it says the registration again. And here we have the stand hole, the main gear, and then the red dot again. So here's just a quick rundown of the fuselage here, so you can get a good view of it. So that's about it for this unboxing. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this. This is going to look absolutely great in the collection. And I will talk to you guys in the next one. Take care, and I will see you later.